So here's my review of the Wash Me outdoor launderette, and this is at a petrol station. Interestingly, there's a dog washing bay there as well, which I've never seen before. But anyway, I've never used one of these launderettes before, and I came here to wash a duvet or a quilt because it was too big to fit in our washing machine. So I used that 20 kilogram washer there. And that was £11. I used a touchscreen there, paid by card, and it took 36 minutes, so it's a very quick wash. But it didn't seem to get the quilt any cleaner. I think the wash was too quick. It didn't seem to use enough water, and you couldn't see any foam or bubbles through the glass there. So I don't think the wash is actually very good. And to make it worse, there was dog hairs all over the quilt when I took it out. So someone had previously been washing something in there that was covered in dog hairs, and we don't have pets. So now the quilt is covered in dog hairs, so I'm not very happy at all. But I've now got the quilt in the dryer, and that was £10.50 for a 45-minute cycle at high heat, and you can choose various times. I don't know whether I can get it up on the screen. There we go. So 9 kilogram wash, £5.50. 20 kilogram wash was so let's do the washing first. So 20 kilogram wash was £11. The 9 kilogram wash is £5.50, and then the dryer, there's the times there. So I selected 45 minutes. You don't know how long you need, so it's a bit difficult to know what to select, but anyway, I did 45 minutes for £10.50. So this has cost £21.50 to wash a quilt, and it hasn't got it very clean at all. I haven't obviously taken out the dryer yet, so it might smell a bit better, but it's put dog hairs on it, so I think it's been a complete waste of money. And in fact, I'd have been better off throwing that quilt away and just going to buy a new one. And I've just had a look on Amazon while I'm standing here, and you can buy a new one for 20 quid. And that's probably what we're going to end up doing, even though that's quite an expensive quilt. Probably going to end up throwing it away now and just buying a new one. And indeed, I might even go out to Dunham Mill this afternoon and just go and buy one. So I'm never going to use these washing machines again. The wash is too quick. It doesn't use enough water. It doesn't use enough soap, I don't think. The soap is provided by the machine, so you don't put any detergent in, as it says there. But I actually did. I bought some detergent and I just rubbed some into the quilt along the edge where it was a bit stained, but it hasn't made any difference at all. So I really don't think these machines use enough water, and they don't wash long enough to give it a proper wash, I don't think. And then of course on top of that, we've got other people's dog hairs over the washing, which has really annoyed me. So let me know in the comments below if you've used these machines before, and have they got your clothes clean, because I think they wash a bit too quick and don't use enough water. But it could just be my quilt was too stained and it was never going to get clean anyway, but it doesn't feel like that to me, and the whole dog hair thing has just really annoyed me. So I wish I hadn't spent my 21 quid on this, and I should have just put that in the bin and gone and bought a new one and started again. But anyway, let me know in the comments below. Hope you found this video useful. If you have, please do click the thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next video.